White Trail. Hey, what's going on, anglers? Welcome back to the channel. We are headed to the Russian River. The truck's loaded up, the family's loaded up. We're ready to go. Tackle's in the back. Lines are ready, so let's get to it. Anglers, check out the new road. I haven't been here last year, so this is the first year we're going down the Russian River campground area, and look at this road. This is awesome. Make sure you go through all the guides. Sometimes you miss one, so gotta make sure it's good. Right now I'm setting up my fishing pole. I got my weights right here. I think I'll use this one right here. And then this guy, I gotta tie to your main line. I like using this weight because if it's too heavy, I could cut some off. And then I just tie another fisherman's knot right here. And I go through the loop twice. And then do my wraps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You want to do 6 to 8 wraps, depending on what size line you got. Don't forget to wet it before you cinch it down, and then pull. There we go. Cut the tag end. Oops. Hopefully I'll be okay. If not, we'll know I cut the tag end way too short. It'll be alright. And then my leader, I got about 2 feet, a little bit more than 2 feet of leader from your weight to your hook. Alright, that rod's set up, ready to go. Now we just need to get dressed and then head on down to the river. And don't forget bug spray, guys. The bugs are out. Cool. Anglers, we're ready to go fishing. I got my family here with me. We're all loaded up and head down to the river. Bear safety. Looks like they saw some bears. 612 White Trail, 32 to 30. Okay. Okay, ready, son? Yeah, let's go marching 2 by 2, hurrah, hurrah, to get out of the rain, boom, boom, boom. So we're still walking. We checked every spot on the way down here. Not really seeing any, and all the good fishing holes they are crowded. All right, we're crossing over. You good, Mama? No fish swimming through here. We didn't see any up that way. Oh, yeah. Cool chair. So busy. Yeah, you feel the wind, son? Yeah, the wind. Oh, yeah. Ready, let's catch a fish right here.
A few moments later.
What'd you do, Aaron? Yeah,
I think somebody grabbed the wrong net.
Think so?
Yeah, I guess our nets got swapped.
Oh no!
Yeah, it's all good though. Net's net to me.
Yeah. Were they the same size?
Same
Just different
size.
color?
It's exactly the same size.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
It's just a different color. Yeah.
Dang.
Mine was like all black.
That's crazy though. You put like a sticker or something.
I know, right?
Something to recognize that it's yours.
What's that? Oh, it is. Oh, okay. Yeah. Whoever it is must have just got the wrong net. Because the knowledge net is all black. Net and handle and everything.
Is it an upgrade?
No, it's the same size. It's exactly the same.
Oh, swap meet over there?
I am done. You're done? This is my third one. But that third one,
No, you're good, thank you. Oh, you can.
that third
I think yours is down the line.
that third one.
Alright, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Thanks for watching and coming along with us. Even with all the chaos, the crowds, the lost gear, the LDRs, it was still a good day out here with the family.